Industries in India. Industry. An industry converts raw materials into final products or goods that has use. An industry plays an important role in the utilization of resources available and thus contributes in the economic development and prosperity of a country. Products we use in our daily life, such as bed, almirah, television, books, pens, tables, utensils, clothes, and sugar, are all produced in industries. Raw materials such as wood, cotton, sugar cane, and chemicals are extracted from natural resources. For example, sugar cane is a raw material obtained naturally. Sugar canes are manufactured in sugar mills to get sugar, finished product. Basic requirement for an industry. To establish an industry, we need 4 important things. These are land, labor, capital, and organization. We need land to set up machines, offices, etc. Labor is the human resource, that is, the people who will work in different departments at different capacity to run and continue the production. Capital is the money needed to buy machines, establish offices, hire manpower, etc. Organization is the person who establish and run the industry. Other factors are transport, electricity, raw materials, and market. Kinds of industries. Based on the size, use of capital, and manpower, industries can be small and large. A small industry uses simple machines and employs few people. A large industry uses complex machines and employs a large number of people. On the basis of these, the industry can be further classified as cottage industry, small-scale industry, and large-scale industry. Cottage industries. A cottage industry is a small industry where products are made at home and mostly family members work in it. These industries are mainly set up in the rural areas. They make goods out of locally available raw materials using simple tools, handicrafts, papad, pottery, handmade candles, incense sticks, pickles, jam leaf plates, embroidered clothes, baskets, etc. are some of the goods made in various cottage industries. Small-scale industries. A small-scale industry produces goods using simple machinery and a few workers. Furnitures, plastic goods, utensils, electrical goods, etc. are some of the goods produced in various small-scale industries. Large-scale industries. A large-scale industry uses big machinery, require huge capital, and many of employees to produce goods in large quantity. Large-scale industries also require a continuous availability of raw materials in large quantities. Apart from raw materials, they also require continuous supply of electricity to run the machines and a good transport system to send the goods to different places. Textiles, iron and steel, cement, automobiles, aeroplanes, ships, fertilizers, etc. are some of the goods manufactured in large-scale industries. Based on the use of raw materials, we can divide industries into 5 groups. These are agro-based, forest product-based, mineral-based, chemical, and services industries. In agro-based industries, agricultural products like sugarcane, grapes, tomatoes, etc. are processed, and new products are made. In forest product-based industry, forest products like wood, cane, bamboo, etc. are processed into new products. In mineral-based industry, minerals like copper, iron, etc. are processed into new products. In services industries like IT, people give their service and solve different problems. Here, no realistic goods are produced. There is also marine-based industry, which processes fish, crab, etc. Major industries in India. From ancient time, India has been famous for its handicraft goods. This was cottage or household industry. But the 200 years of British rule deindustrialized India. After independence, industrialization started very slowly. Gradually, many industries grew in India. Some of the major industries of India are textile industry, chemical industry, cement industry, steel industry, software industry, mining industry, and petroleum industry. Information technology industry in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, and Gurgaon is one of the most important industry. Came up in modern times, is very effective for telecommunication. Some of the important industries in India are as follows: textile mills in Mumbai, Surat, Ahmedabad, Madurai, Kanpur, Kolkata, etc. Iron and steel plants in Bokaro, Jamshedpur, Durgapur, Rourkela, Bhilai, Visakhapatnam, etc. Heavy electrical goods industries in Bhopal, Ranchi, etc. Automobile factories in Pune, Nashik, Jamshedpur, Jabalpur, Kolkata, Gurgaon, Chennai, etc. Shipbuilding in Kochi, Mumbai, Visakhapatnam, and Marmagao. Aircraft manufacturing in Bangalore, Nashik, Hyderabad, Lucknow, and Koraput. Oil refineries in Assam, Bihar, Mathura, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, etc. Development of industries is essential for the country, as they are an important part of the development process. Industries provide employment opportunities to a large number of people, but are also a major cause of pollution. Smoke and other industrial wastes cause air, water, and land pollution. We must ensure that pollution is minimized and our resources are protected for the sustainable development.